Good morning, YouTube. We are going to do breakfast on the Ninja WOODFIRE grill.
And we have the new griddle plate, which is about $40. And this thing just totally changes how good this grill is.
And cleanup.
Oh my gosh, the cleanup.
It is non-stick, so it's amazing when you go to clean it, but it cooks beautifully.
Yeah. So we are we're going to cook some bacon and eggs today. And go ahead and get it started.
We're not going to open the app because we can just do it directly from the grill. So we're doing medium. You're going to adjust your time and just use the knob to increase the minutes. Push the knob, hit start, and then you have to close the lid for it to do the preheat. And there it goes.
All right, we'll get it preheated and then we will see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, sorry about the shadows, but it's morning time.
Some delicious bacon. I think I'm going to use my hands so it'll be quicker.
Good idea. Don't burn yourself.
I'll just have to scoot them over with the tongs. I'm not sure we can get all that on there. It will cook down though. So it's allowing me to keep the lid open and not telling me to close it.
That's awesome. We was worried about that it would shut the grill off.
All right, we got a whole package of bacon on there.
Oh yeah. So it says medium, 28 minutes left. Oh. We will let this cook for a little bit, flip them over. We probably shut the lid, right? You want to shut the lid?
Yeah, keep those flavors in there.
All right, and you can actually smoke them if you wanted to. So that's awesome. That griddle has really changed.
Yeah, it's a game changer.
Oh
sure.
my gosh, it's so much easier to clean. We cooked burgers on it the other day.
I think if you're doing burgers and hot dogs, like the grill plate is great.
Mm-hmm.
But if you need to do stuff like this,
It's just, and it's so much easier
Yeah.
to clean. Like, it's nothing to clean this. And we had the Blackstone.
yeah, which was not non-stick. It's that.
Yeah, we just had, it wasn't for us.
It was too much.
Yeah, it's too big, too much.
Too much cleanup.
We didn't even,
If you're having big events and
Yeah.
you've got a ton of people to cook for, I can understand having one of those, but when it's just us, we don't need something.
Yeah, we didn't even use it one time last year.
No.
So, and we've used this thing, as you can see in all of our videos, a ton. And we've cooked without showing videos of it a ton too. So we use this probably 3 or 4 times a week, and we're going to do a big review on it.
It makes life a lot easier.
Oh yes, it's so awesome. And having the app, we went inside while it was preheating. It notified me.
Yeah.
It can notify
So we
you
didn't
on
have
your,
to
if you
wait.
have an Apple Watch. I'm sure it'll do that on Android products too. I'd have to check.
I'm sure it does.
So if you have Android and you've used it, Like,
Let us know how it works.
yeah, comment down below. Tell us how the app works on your Android. So, we will get back with you here in a little bit.
All right, we're gonna check our bacon.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's cooking nice. And we did take a video or picture of the bacon we used, so he'll pop that up on the screen for you.
Now that is looking really good.
Too bad I can't save this bacon grease.
Oh my gosh.
All right, see you in a little bit. All right. Yeah, that's perfect.
Perfectly cooked bacon.
And that took us how long?
It's at 20 minutes now, so we set it at 30.
So this is a lot faster, quicker. Dog's trying to get out. You're not going to get splattered from the bacon grease on the stove.
Yeah, that's a lot of grease. Oh, those look so good. That's perfect.
Perfectly cooked bacon.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Yeah.
Wow.
So now we have to clean up the grill a little bit because we have quite a bit of grease. Because we're going to do the eggs, scrambled eggs on here. So,
all right.
See you in a little bit. All right, we're going to clean this off a little bit. Oh, wow. That is smooth. Now, I do want to leave some just to give the scrambled eggs and bacon flavor, but wow, that's amazing. Okay, we're going to change the temperature down to low for the eggs. And we'll get those on there just a little bit.
Yeah.
Alrighty, here we go. First time doing eggs on here. I just got to keep it away from the grease thing. So I obviously don't want the eggs to go down there. So I'm just going to go slow with it. Alright. As long as we can get it. There we go. Uh-oh. Alright. Add some salt and pepper.
That's looking good.
Yeah, it looks real good.
You may want to clean that off there on the side. Yeah.
All right, the eggs are done. I think it took us like 5 minutes. Perfect.
Those look perfect.
It's a lot faster than doing it on the stove.
And you may have to watch out, like this pad, this concrete pad kind of slopes down. So it's a little unlevel. And all all the eggs was kind of floating down there, so we may have added too much, but for our first time,
10 eggs is I think what I cracked.
our first time looks pretty good. That's a lot of eggs.
All right.
Yeah, show them in the sunlight here. Oh yes. Wow, that looks delicious. All right, look at this. And
Cleanup will be a breeze.
yes, absolutely. All right, I'll show you another picture after we get them put together on a plate. Well, if you like our videos, please like and subscribe. That'd be great. It's free.
It's free.